I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping night vision as your immediate priority. Open the loadout and place NVG in the helmet or gadget slot. Once done, check battery count and add spare batteries so you don't run out mid-movement. Make sure to begin or test during nighttime conditions. Use the mission time slider in the editor or wait until dusk, because NVG is ineffective in bright daylight and works best in low light. Contrasty environments, to reveal silhouettes, you toggle NVG with your assigned key or through the weapon wheel. Press it once to switch on and again to switch off to conserve batteries. Then adjust brightness and contrast in the display options if the image is too washed out or too dark, because proper settings improve target recognition. While active, move slowly and use cover so your eyes and teammates can adapt. This reduces motion blur and prevents you from exposing position when you peek into well-lit clearings. You now use NVG tactically. Pair it with suppressors and quieter approaches, and switch to thermal if you need through-smoke detection. Once done, swap batteries in covered positions and watch the HUD battery indicator to avoid surprises. If you experience flicker, green washout, or sudden blackout, toggle NVG off and on, remove and re-equip the helmet, or relaunch the mission. These quick steps usually clear sync issues. If problems persist, verify game files or update drivers before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.